What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is going to be kind of weird because whenever you guys are watching this, just know that I recorded this probably 3 weeks ago, something like that. So as of right now, my time, I just gave away my Rainbow Lady of the Sea in the 10,000 subscriber giveaway along with some other stuff. So as of right now, I do not have a replacement dedicated unboxing knife, so I'm just going to have to use whatever. So for today, it's going to be the Guardian Tactical Recon 35. Just wanted to clarify there because it's probably confusing with pre-recorded content and all. Anyways, this box was sent to me, like many others, by my good friend at ShakerMT1970 on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily content. Or if you see him down in the comment section, be sure to give him a like. Also, I want to remind everybody that on any of my videos, you can go right down here, open up the description, and check out my merch store for awesome stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, whole bunch of stuff. You can also check out my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. We've always got new goals and cool things going on. You can check out my sister channel. Yeah, that's right. I've got a second YouTube channel that is very much knife related called Silent Complex. You can check that out right there. And then I have tons and tons and tons of recommendable knives from popular makers, budget knives, all my favorite stuff that I've ever gone over on the channel, including EDC gear, maintenance stuff, a whole bunch of stuff. So if you're watching my channel like everybody else who's got the itch, including me, I mean, that's why we're all here, right? Use my description. It's got something for everybody. All right, let's go ahead and get in here. This is turned over because there's information, there's private information on the other side. So let's go ahead and get in here. Boy, that's sharp. I'm used to a different sharpness of blade there. All right, so this is a very nice knife that's in here. I believe this is one that Shaker very recently made a deal on, and like many others, he just sent it to me immediately. Yeah. We've got a Zieba in here, guys, and I'm excited because we haven't had a ton of Ziebas on the channel, and I really like this stuff. Now, once again, so here's what's happening. I know you're like, oh my gosh, just open it. I'm so bad with models. If I get this wrong, Shaker will correct me or I'll pin a comment. But I believe, this is also the first time I'm handling it. Oh, there's right here. Oh boy. Wow. So I believe that, here we go, ready? Oh, God. I believe this is an S7. Is that what this is? Oh, gosh. Well, first off, guys, it is just incredible. We've got this amazing Damasteel blade that's been mirror polished, and we've got this marbled carbon fiber. And we have this flamed and textured, very interesting how this has been textured. Titanium side that's been, you can see the heat anodization there. Just beautiful. Amazing, amazing knife. Please correct me if I'm wrong, Shaker. This is insane. I've never handled one of these, and it's absolutely beautiful. Look how thin the stock is on this guy. Very, very, very impressive. I cannot wait to take a look at this. Check out this bead that it came with. Holy moly, look at that. That is gnarly. The little Grim Reaper sort of bead there. And then the sort of ready-to-go lanyard 550 paracord stuff there. But anyways, yeah, this is super cool. Can't wait to talk about it. You guys will be seeing the full review on this guy here within the next couple of weeks. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I know it's sad. Everybody probably misses the Rainbow Lady. There's going to be a lot of RIP Rainbow Lady in the comment section. But anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.